Hi friends, I'm Sophia Amin from Literary Inn. If you have already subscribed my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. And if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for more informative videos. At the end of this video, I'll tell you about the next video topic. So, let's get started. Yes guys, our today's video is on the life and works of John Milton. Let's talk a little about him. John Milton was born on 9th December 1608 and he died on 8th November 1674. He was an English poet and an intellectual. He served as a civil servant for the Commonwealth of England under its Council of States and later under Oliver Cromwell. He wrote at a time of religious flux and political upheaval. John Milton is best known for his epic poem Paradise Lost, and it was written in blank verse. His epic Paradise Lost is widely considered as one of the greatest works of literature ever written. He wrote in English, Latin, Greek and Italian, and he achieved international renown with his lifetimes. Yes guys, we are going to discuss the most important 30 questions on John Milton. So if you are preparing a quiz, this video is going to be really great for all of you. Okay guys, let's start the quiz. Question number 1 is, where was Milton born? And the answer is Bread Street, London. Question number 2 is, what is Milton's date of birth? Milton's date of birth is 9th of December 1608. Question number 3 is, what was the name of his father? John Milton was the name of his father. And the question number 4 is, what was his father's occupation? His father was a prosperous London scrivener. A scrivener was a person who could read and write. He used to write letters to court and he used to write legal documents. And on this slide you can see question number 5. What was Milton's title in Cromwell's government in 1649? So his title was Secretary for Foreign Tongues. When did he publish his first poem? And the answer is, he published his first poem in 1630. Question number 7 is, what was Milton's age when he published his first poem? So he was 22 years old when he published his first poem. What was the title of Milton's first poem? So Milton's first poem was On Shakespeare. Question number 9. What did Milton become blind? When did Milton become blind? And the answer is, at the age of 44, he became blind. Question number 10. What does Milton call his heavenly muse? Actually, what was the name of his heavenly muse? Urania was the name of his heavenly muse. Question number 11. Which words or usages did Milton not coin? So blatant he did not coin. Question number 12 is, in 1638 Milton set off on a tour of France and Italy. He met another cultural giant. Who was it? So he met Galileo on his tour of France. Let's begin question number 13. Who began his sonnet London 1802 with the lines, Milton, thou shouldn't be living at this hour? And the answer is William Wordsworth. Question number 14. Why was Milton called Lady of Christ College by his tutor? So he was called Lady of Christ College just because he had a middle stature, auburn hair, oval face, grey and an exceedingly fair complexion. So that's why he was called Lady of Christ College. Question number 15 is, why was he temporarily expelled from college? So for some limited time of period he was expelled from the college. So what was the reason behind that? Because of conflict, because he had some kind of argument with one of his tutors, that's why he was expelled. And question number 16 is, what was the name of his tutor? And the name of that tutor with whom he had the argument was William Chappell. Question number 17 is, why was Milton displeased with Cambridge? So Milton was displeased because of emphasized scholasticism. It was his opinion that such a system stifles the imagination. So that's why he was displeased with this system. Question number 18 is, Milton mentioned a contemporary, a person from his age, by name in Paradise Lost. Who was it? So it was Galileo. Question number 19, which of his two poems testify his love for external nature? So the two poems are written over here. Number 1 is El Allegro and second is Il Penseroso. Question number 20 is, how many books is Paradise Lost consisted of? So Paradise Lost is consisted of 12 books. Let's do question number 21. What kind of poems were written in the age of Milton? Metaphysical, Cavalier and Puritan sort of poetry was written in Milton's age. Question number 21. Paradise Lost was published in the year of, and the answer is in 1667. Question number 22. What was Milton's religion? He was a Christian and a Puritan. Question number 23. Which of Milton's poems has his views on poetry? So he wrote a poem in which he gave his views on poetry. So that the name of that poem was Lycidas. Let's go to the next question. Question number 24. What did John Dryden say about Milton? So John Dryden said, this man cuts us all out and the ancient too. Question number 25. What is the theme of Paradise Lost? So the theme of Paradise Lost was disobedience of Adam and Eve. Question number 26. What kind of work is Paradise Lost? So Paradise Lost was an epic poem. Question number 27. What is Milton's famous prose work? Milton's famous prose work is Areopagitica. Let's go to the next question. Question number 28. What is Milton's purpose to write Paradise Lost? His purpose was to justify the ways of God to men. Next question is, how many times does Milton invoke a muse? So he invoked 3 times. Question number 30. What was the only occupation of Adam and Eve on earth? To trim and tend their heavenly garden. This was the only occupation of Adam and Eve on earth. So guys, this was all about today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. Do comment and share the video. Take care of yourself. See you soon.